All right, so we are on red. We did our mmap scan. We got 22 and 80. Let's go ahead and do an mmap TAC P80. SV. For that guy, like right there. We also have 6379. That's a new one for us. Let's check that out. Looks like we got business solutions. Let's go ahead and go there like real quick. Business solutions. Can't see what the website's built by. Probably ColorLib, huh? Figure out what that 6379 was yet. Redis. Can we do this same exact way that we would do it with Windows? What if we do the same exact way that we do it? I think that's how we do it with Windows. It's just like that. It is called red. So, I mean, that might be something. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's kind of strange. It is called red, and we have Redis. Can we just, like, 4.0 point search exploit Redis? 4 to 5 unauthenticated code execution with Metasploit? Huh, okay. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow. Who am I unknown? So 4 to 5, we have unauthenticated code execution with Metasploit. I wonder if we could just look up Redis code execution. We can do it a couple different ways. Have I done this before? Can we do this like right here? Is this like a thing? Non-existent global variable do file. Whose do files disable Redis's Lua sandbox. The reverse shell is also unsupported, but if you find a way, that would be a good catch with potential security breach. Potential? It's going to be more than a good catch with potential security breach. That's freaking... It's over. What are you talking about? I think I actually have like a little Redis thing. Yeah, Redis. But that's like once we get into it. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, CB. That's with Redis and responder. See, I've only ever messed with it on Windows. And we can't get in like right now, so we can't do like an info or anything like that. So let's go ahead and... I kind of want to look up unauthenticated code execution. Redis. Whoopsie daisy. Not that. Let's go ahead and look that up. Redis remote code execution. That'll work. Sure. Do I have this? Redis RCE? I may actually have this like right here. Let's go do a Python or a ls-tech-la and slash tools grep tech I for Redis. Redis remote code execution. Wow, look at that, huh? CD into tools. Let's go and do a Python, I think 3. I would think. Okay. So it looks like we need a host. Okay, so we need the remote host, remote port. So let's go ahead and do that. Remote host is somebody. It's something. The remote host is definitely something. We know that. Remote port was 6379. Local host. Oh, I might want to do the TAC R in here, huh? Huh. TAC L local host is going to be us 10.016. Local port, we'll say 4444. And I don't know if we need a file. I've done this one before. Hey, thanks a lot for following, Michael Scott. I think I've done this one before like this. with the Redis CLI with that like right there. Maybe that's why I had 2 Redis files. Maybe one didn't work. That one's working a lot much better. I wonder if the host needs to be... No, it can't be like an HTTP or anything like that. Okay, so we just need to send a file up to it. So I'm wondering if we can make it execute that file. Yeah, I want an interactive shell. Does it matter what file we send at it? Or does it just need a file? Can we just get a reverse shell? First server address? Do I need to make like a listener, obviously, I think? Something like that. I don't know what that file is for. Let's go ahead and so this guy like right here also, right? Command execution. Use 7. Permission denied. Huh. It's very, 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 very strange. Okay. That's like really strange. How do we get permission denied? Maybe we should have messed with that password. It was like foobar or something like that, right? Let's try it one more time. I feel like that should have worked. That might not even be the right exploit, actually. We're going to search for Redis again. That might not even be the right one. Let's go ahead and search for that again. Grab my drink. Whoa, bam. Alright, cool. So let's go ahead and search for Redis. I want remote code execution, right? What was that other one called? Authenticated code execution. Redis, unauthenticated. I wonder where it's at. I feel like it'd be an exploit, right? That's super weird. Huh. Okay. Let's try to do like a search exploit or search for Redis on off. I wonder if it's still in here with Metasploit version 6. You know what I'm saying? Companies put that in my tools. You have to delete this afterwards. I want to see what the CVE is. That's super weird. It says that's in there. It's not in there anymore. So I guess that's a yes. Okay, now how do I exploit that? Can you actually just put this into a file and then do a update on the database and it'll actually run it? I feel like that's like a thing. That's weird. That's not there anymore. Okay, let's go ahead and let's go and CD back into. No, I have the. Let's try to get this guy to work like right here then, because we're getting there, like we're doing it, right? I just need to figure out how the hell to make this thing actually work. I think I know what I need actually. I think there's actually a. I think I need to actually go back to that site, like right there. redisrc.py. I think there's a file that you're supposed to do with it. exp.so, yeah. There's that file, like right there. That's actually supposed to be with it. That's good. That one doesn't exist anymore. That's how we got to work last time. exp.so. Do I still have that somewhere? Please copy that one over, I wonder? And then can we just do that guy and then tac f exp.so? I wonder if we can do that. That didn't do shift for me. All that files actually do anything for us. Ha! Okay. Let's try to do some... We obviously get into it. 31.9, 63.79, right? That's what it was? I think it's on port. Yeah, 63.79. So we're obviously in it, right? We're getting in there, right? Do a verbose one. Yeah, we're in it. We're in Redis, like right now. Let's go ahead and do a Redis reverse shell. Pen testing Redis. Here we go. Let's go. Do I not have Redis reverse shell? Do I have it over here? Well, it's going to be for Windows, but let's do info. Let's see if info works. How about that? Info does work. Okay, so we are in it. That's good. Let's do this one for Linux. Because we've had it do an eval do file, then send back to us. That's with responder, though, up and running, right? That's for Windows, like right there. We want to get a Redis bash reverse shell. Or something like that. Interactive shell. PHP web shell. Okay, let's go ahead and try that. Let's go ahead and see if that directory exists, like right there. Also, it's file directory. Cron tab, load Redis module. This is one that has that set. Yeah. This, like right here. This is the one that we want, like right here. Let's try to do this. See if we can do this like right here. No, it doesn't like that at all. Okay. I know there's a way to get a reverse shell on this guy. I just don't know how to do it. Can we run like a system execute? Right there, that? Damn. No, we cannot. Okay. That's alright. That's okay. Just not getting where we want to be at. Huh. There's got to be a way to be able to do this. I feel like there is. Is there a way to be able to turn on system execute? How about that? Because he's got system execute ID. You compile Redis module execute arbitrary commands. Load the upload module at runtime with module load path my module.so. Is that the EXP module that we have, I wonder? Module load, home, Kali, tools, /exp.so. He's got it. Okay. Whoopsie daisy. Sorry about that. How do we load in that module? Run Redis loading the module. Path to Redis server, tac load module, exp.so. I think I'd want to do something like that then. Okay, let's try that. Redis CLI .9 tac load module said? Load module exp.so. Hey, thanks a lot for follow unticked. Alright. Build liver and the module by running make. You can also build them separately by running make in their respective directories. Put Redis loading, run Redis loading the module. Path to Redis server, load module that. Our path to the Redis server though is like that. We can't do a load module like that. Now run Redis CLI. Because we're not 127.0.0.1. So can we load the module once we get onto it? Okay, now we have module.so. Okay. Let's go ahead and copy Redis rc.py to right here. Now, what if we can load the module now like that with the Redis rce.py with tacf module.so? Can we do that? Let's go. There we go. All right, sweet. All right, cool. All right, awesome. What's up on TikTok? How's your day going? So we got that. So we're now in Redis. We got the ID. We're good on that. Let's go and do a which Python 3. So let's go ahead and do a exit out here. Clear that out. Let's go ahead and do a cat scripts full shell. And we got our Python 3 one right. Let's go ahead and grab that, throw that in here, and there we are, right? Control Z, yes. SSTY, STTY tag A. STTY raw. Enter, enter. Export. Term equals X term. STTY rows is 20. Columns is 81. Let's go into a sudo tag L, see if we can run anything on here. We cannot. We don't know the rest password. Let's go ahead and see SUID bits. Let that guy run. Oh man, we've just been doing this all day. We did all the Windows ones yesterday on CyberSec Labs. I think there was 20 of them total, and today we're doing all the Linux ones. Almost done with them, actually. Not seeing anything crazy in here. Let's go ahead and CD into /home. CD into ant. We cannot read bash history. Go ahead and grab that access.txt link right there. And we'll throw WinPs onto here. So let's CD into temp. Let's go ahead and, I don't think I want to close that out. CD into tools, Python 3. HTTP server, let's go ahead and do a wget 10.10.016 /linps.sh. Go ahead and do a change mode, +X for linps. And let's go ahead and run that. And let's head back over to our here, and we'll throw in that flag that we got so far. Not seeing anything just yet. Not seeing anything in there just yet. So now we just gotta get to root. Okay. Nothing really in here that I'm seeing, huh? Redis log is writable. About to be time to start manually enumerating some stuff. Kind of want to get back in that Redis wherever we hopped in at. Kind of want to look at there again. See if we find anything in there. Our backups, anything in here? Nothing. Let's see back into home and see if we can look at. No .station there. Okay, so we can't look at anything in there. Nothing really out of the ordinary in there. Let's go ahead and CD into. I don't remember where the hell that Redis server was at. Go ahead and exit out here. We'll hop back into it. Hop back into this guy. Did he die? What happened? What happened here? Everything's in there. I think we killed him. Whoopsie daisy. Yeah, I think we might have killed this guy. Yeah, we killed him. Whoopsie daisy. Okay, let's go ahead and reset him. We killed him. We'll reset him and then we'll go from there. Almost done. A couple more boxes left. At least we got our way in pretty easily, like right now. Oh, man. Wait for this guy to reset. He's taking a minute. He's definitely taking his time resetting. Oh, that's all gone. All right, he reset. Let's go ahead. We'll wait till we can ping him again. Then we'll go from there. Try to ping this guy. Alright, cool. We're pinging him. Let's go ahead and get that listener back up and running. We'll throw that Redis RCE at him again. And get our reverse shell running again. And we'll do a reverse shell to 10.10.0.16 on port 3333. And okay, we got a reverse shell. Let's go ahead and throw the Python out there again. Var lib Redis. Let's go with that. We have module, that. Let's go and CD back. Start from here. We'll work our way back. 6369. Huh. There's nothing really that we can mess with, it didn't look like. So now I'm wondering, what do we do from here? Redis. Redis. There's our Redis log, okay. There's our Redis log. Alright, cool. We can just read that. Let's go ahead and cat the Redis log. See if there's anything in there. Oh, that's super helpful, like right there, okay. CD to Redis. There we go. Something running from root. We can read it. On Redis, we have read executables. That means we can might just be able to get rid of this thing and do whatever we want. Put our own thing in there, huh? Might just be able to get rid of that guy, put our own thing in there, and then run it. Do we have a... No. What do we do from there? We just run it, I take it? The log manager? Put a netcat reverse shell in there. right? What's that guy trying to do first off? Log manager is for file log star. Okay. So anything that's in logs, var lettuce, raw, anything that's in here, log star. So if we cd into logs, log manager, we can run it, cd into logs. Just figuring we would get something in there. So I was hoping we would. Maybe we make like a shell there. Let's go ahead and move test1.text to test1.sh. Okay, it's denied for us, so it did try to do it. Okay, cool. But we do have a test.text in there. So it did try to do it. Okay, let's go ahead and remove test.text. Test.text. Let's go ahead and cd back. And let's try to run that log manager. So that's running as root. And let's go ahead and cd back into logs. We have a test in there again. There's nothing in it. I wonder if he can't do it also. Well, I didn't really copy it, did I? Let's go ahead and do a copy for it. Let's go ahead and echo copy etc shadow to var log redis logs shadow. See if we can do that. And we'll put that in shadow.sh. Okay. Log manager, cd back into logs. We do have a where did I say to put that to? Shadow. Change mode plus executable for shadow.sh. Huh. Test.text shows back up. So it is definitely working. Okay, that is definitely working. You just can't put that in there. But he's definitely making that file. Shadow's in there now. So shadow did work. And we have permission on. That's okay. It's in there by root. So let's make a reverse shell in here. Because it is working. So let's go ahead and do a cat scripts netcat reverse shell. Should just be able to echo this guy into there. So we'll do an echo that, right? 10.0.0.16. 10.10.0.16. And that should create a reverse shell back to us. We'll put that in shell.sh. Go ahead and cat that shell.sh. Make sure it all got in there. It did. Let's go ahead and do a... No, I usually don't. I've only seen it once so far where it actually needed the shebang line. And let's go ahead and change mode. Plus X for shell.sh. And let's go ahead and do a period slash log manager. Let's do a bash. There it is. We're going to do a bash that guy. And let's see, we do get a shell back down here. And we're Redis. I wonder if he's doing it because we weren't getting it to work before. So I'm wondering if root has it as a cron job. He does. Okay, root has it as a cron job. So let's go ahead and cd into root. And let's go ahead and cat that system.txt. Awesome. Let's freaking go. Okay, cool. So we got that. That one is finished. And we're on lazy.